Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tutorial Race. So in this video today I'm going to show you how you can create an Instagram post in a very easy process and step by step. So if you are interested in Canva, so you can subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so you can get all the notifications of our videos. So without any time waste, let's start the video. Let's go to laptop screen. So we are in laptop screen. So now we are going to create like this post for an example. Okay, so over here we have to open Canva and we have to click on create. After that you can see Instagram post option. If you are not going to see over here, then you can search from here. Okay, Instagram, this will be the option. So you have to click on this. After that, this will be the interface. Over here you can choose any color, like any background color. So you have to click on this background and you can choose from here. For an example, I'm going to choose this color. Okay, so after that you have to go to elements. You have to search over here pink heart line. Okay, so you have to choose graphic. From here you can get that option like that card line. Okay, so this will be the interface like this, and you have to drag this fully and a little bigger like this. Okay, so now we are going to choose color, like we are going to give this white color. Okay, so I have to click on edit. Now we are going to choose the tone, and from here we are going to choose cherry. You can see there's a two option, highlight and shadow. You have to choose white color from here, and from here also you can choose white. Okay, so now we are going to save, download, and you have to choose these. You have to tick mark these. Okay, transparent background. Now you have to download. When it will download there, then you have to click on upload. You have to choose upload file, and over here you will get this option. You have to open this. Okay, so now we are going to choose any images, like whatever image you want to put over here. So I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to change a little filter over here, like I'm going to choose this one. Now fix this image like this. Okay, and from here you have to remove your background. Click on this, and after the image we have uploaded over here, we have to choose this one. Now resize this fully. Okay, now you have to just drag down from here like this. Okay, and you have to fix this one in your way like this. Okay, and drag this one and fix this code like this. So as you can see, we have created Instagram post in a very easy way, step by step. So if you like this video, then go and subscribe this channel. Meet you soon in next video. Till then, bye bye.